Hello, today we will guide you through how to make an offer on Vinted. If you found something you like on Vinted and want to try getting it at a lower price, the offer feature is a simple way to do that. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly how to send an offer to a seller using the item page and the built-in messaging screen. To begin, go to the Vinted website. Once the home page has loaded, you'll be able to browse available listings as usual. If you already know what item you want, you can open that listing directly. For this example, we'll select a sample item from the marketplace. Clicking on the item opens its product page, where you can review the photos, description, price, and any other details the seller has provided. After you're on the item page, look for the Make an Offer option. This is the feature that lets you suggest a different price to the seller instead of immediately buying the item at the listed amount. Click on Make an Offer to continue. Vinted will then open the offer screen, typically within the chat or inbox area connected to that item. Here you'll see a field where you can enter the price you'd like to offer. Type in your proposed amount carefully. It's a good idea to make sure your offer is reasonable, since a fair offer is more likely to be accepted by the seller. Also, double-check the number before submitting so there are no mistakes. Once you've entered your price, click Offer to send it. At that point, the seller will receive your offer and can decide whether to accept it, decline it, or respond in another way depending on the options available. After sending the offer, keep an eye on your inbox for updates so you can respond quickly if needed. And that's all there is to it. Go to Vinted, open the item you want, select Make an Offer, enter your price, and send it through. It's a fast and useful feature if you want to negotiate before purchasing. Just remember to stay polite, be realistic with your pricing, and review the item details before making your decision. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helps you use Vinted more confidently.